So hello friends, welcome to the channel. So let's analyze the position of JAW USD for 22nd November and onwards, and what we had discussed earlier. So we had discussed that if it goes above 199495, then we may test the 2000 mark, and the mostly on 2005 2010 zone, which market has already done. However, we had discussed that there will be a rare position that going above this zone, but when it came, it will go. So it did the same, and it started normally staying above the position 199495, and then suddenly in US time it spiked to the level. So let's analyze the upcoming moves. So here we can see that we are at almost a triple top zone, almost at triple top position on daily chart. So JAW presently is on very crucial stage. We can say that it is on very crucial stage, as it has came to a important point where the following labels will decide its move. So let us discuss the labels. 1990 mark, 1985 mark, 1980 mark. These are the three important zones which will be acting as a very good support. 199092, if breaches, it again can bounce from 1985 and then from 198082. So we will discuss. So our analysis will be like that: if JAW continuously start staying or breaching the 1980, then only we can consider it in a bearish zone. Otherwise, JAW will be the higher high position, and we may see the upper levels. Normally in technical analysis, whenever a higher zone is touched, market comes to that zone, and it has already come. And whenever a highest zone is touched, market again tries to test little bit higher or around that level and then fall. This is the only reason why I am calling that it is a very crucial stage. And for present analysis, we will have to be very cautious for JAW. Reason, if it breaching successfully 191012 zone, our next zone will be 192025, 19545, and all time high zones. So this is the very crucial stage where JAW can test the higher zones, and even new high can be made. So be very cautious during trades, and only bearish feeling is available below 1980, and below 1980 a sharp fall can come, which normally happens. So be very clear in your strategy, and for bearish move only consider 198 breaking of 1980, and if markets just touch and go 1980 below 1980 and again quickly rises to above the 1980, it will not be considered as a breaching. For breaching, there will be a 30 minutes candle below that. So always consider, if you making a position for bearish below 1980, your SL will be 1985 plus, and if market started going below and below, then you can be in your position with SL of 1985. So this is the very crucial stage, very important stage. So 201012 if breaches, for just so if 201012 breaching, market is breaching 2010, so wait for that for 15 minutes, and if it comes below and again start breaching, then you can consider we may seeing incoming range 1202425, 2045, and all time high levels. So this is very crucial stage. Be very vigilant, be very cautious regarding trades. So this is the analysis presently. And one important update about Dixie dollar. So let us discuss. So in daily time frame we can see that Dixie is in demand zone and it is also maintaining the 103 level, which is very important one. So we might think that from here it can bounce a good zone up to 105 levels. So this is the demand zone for Dixie. So if dollar start making its higher high position, Dow can definitely go below. So presently there is a crucial stage for Dixie also. If it start bouncing from here, we may see that Dow is coming below, because Dow has already on triple top, and from this position there is a sharp fall also comes. So please follow the levels mentioned in the video and do not go in trade one-sided without breaching the important levels. So this is the analysis. So thank you friends, thank you for watching the video, and if you like, please subscribe the video.